a big warm welcome to our Canada's Got Talent 2025 winner, Jacob Lewis. I think I speak on behalf of everyone when I say we're so proud of you, Jacob. I think we all voted a million trillion times. The Ninja Turtles voted, the Care Bears voted, everyone voted. We're really, really proud of you. First, Jeff, say a few words on behalf of the town of A. Roberts. Mr. Jeff Seymour, our acting mayor.
Thank you, Peggy. Yeah, I think the last email I put in was leafswindowclub@hotmail.com. That's how far down the list I got. What can I say? Jacob, I thought I was doing well, like born and raised here in Butlerville, 300 people, and ended up in the mayor's chair. And what do? You go to the mainland, you win Canada's Got Talent, you get a record deal, you get $1 million. Man, you set a high standard there. It's a tough line to follow. So we'll start with the obvious. All you have to do is look around here and see what you mean to the community of Butlerville where you were born and raised. In a short period of time, a handful of people put off an amazing event for you this afternoon. So I think we all owe these people a round of applause for putting this together, David Jacob. From a town perspective, from the municipality of A. Roberts, we want you to know that we are behind you 100%. It goes beyond Butlerville, Shearstown, Coley's Point, Country Road, everyone had your back, and we're so proud of you to see what you did here, and we can't wait to see what's going to come in the future. And you even bring the good weather on May 24th weekend. Everything you touch is a goal right now. Good on you. Anyway, Jacob.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to make my way up here because I want to see every one of you. So. It's not very often you get to see this many people gathered around, and when you've done something and everyone kind of came together to help. You know, if you've known me before, you know I always dream really big, and I always have. But none of this happens without you folks, without the support of Newfoundland and Labrador, with everyone that also chimed in across Canada. You guys have helped make this a reality, and I can't thank you enough for that. If you're out there, if you're a kid, if you're an adult, if you're anybody here and you got a dream of something, I just live in proof that a regular Joe, this can become possible for you guys. Everyone that's helped, like, this has been absolutely amazing. There's been such a great group of people, really helped. Thank you. And you know what? Like, this has been amazing. I want to, like, you guys, give a round of applause for you guys. This has been amazing. You know, and I put up a video this morning, and when I auditioned for Canada's Got Talent, I was dreaming big, and that's not a lie. I really was dreaming big, and I wanted to see what could happen. I did not expect May 24th weekend. This is where I'd be standing right now and saying thank you to all you fine folks. This is absolutely amazing. And from the bottom of my heart, myself, my family, this is absolutely wonderful. There's so many of you guys. I hope to get the chance to talk with all you guys. This is wonderful. Your support is amazing. I know there's a support from a lot of people up there that really mean a lot to me. And all the best to you guys. Thank you. Hello, Jacob. Everyone, and congratulations, Jacob. I can't be with you tonight as I have a prior commitment. I want to extend a huge congratulations to our friend and hometown hero. To say your journey was amazing to witness is an understatement. We are so proud of you, and it was a true honor for me to give an official member statement at the House of Assembly the day after your big win at Canada's Got Talent. I look forward to seeing you again, and of course she says, you never know, we may be able to have a little jam sometime or even do it. Congratulations again to you, Sam, Luke, Levi, Sharan, and the entire family. Rock on, my friend, and all the best. And P.S., say hello to your new best friend, Shania Twain. And it's from Pam Parsons, the MHA of the District of Harbour Grace and Portagrave, the Minister of Economic Rural Development, Labour Division, Workplace, Newfoundland. So guys, for me, I've been trying to keep everyone updated with social media as best I could. There is some people I would like to thank on behalf of what I've had to do the last couple of days. our Bay Roberts Fire Department, the Town of Bay Roberts Recreational Committee has been amazing, the Butlerville Bombers, Johnny and Peggy has been boots on the ground here, getting this all together. Eddie Russell, Wingmaster Drones, is hopefully somewhere up above. And if anyone is wondering my favorite part of the trip, I've said it many times to many people, at the Toronto Zoo, just at random times when there's a crowd of people around, just saying, "Oh my God, it's Jacob Lewis, Canada's Got Talent winner." He really enjoyed that, and I hope one of these days I'll get to do it again at some point. But thank you, were unreal, the trip, the experience you gave the girls and so many people here. Congratulations.